That's the name.
Give us a
This is just a review, no?
Yeah, but let's
No,
Okay.
give us your chance.
Marami pa kasi, just 2 more. Baka abot tayo more than 30 minutes.
Ah,
Kaya nga. Since the
wanna
beginning
do
of
the
time.
Messiah. The Messiah.
Yes, nice. It's the name but
Abraham.
Abraham.
Abram.
Abraham.
The book of Micah written more than
60, 40.
700.
700 years.
yeah! Dang it!
700 is before that happened. See?
Let's go.
Example Abraham. What are these people?
Prophets?
Prophets. Boys. Ways of God talk to people. Example.
Dreams.
Dreams.
Yeah!
This was angels.
Angels. Zachariah and Mary. Angel talk to them.
What? Prophets? I don't know. I don't know.
Yes? Holy Spirit.
Oh.
Holy Spirit is always with us. And when we're making decision, if
with
it's
us.
good or bad, the Holy Spirit is talking. Hey, that's bad. Oh, it's okay. You said it's okay. Everyone's doing it. So you reject the Holy Spirit. Give of wise man. He's the king.
Gold.
Gold. Son of God.
Frankincense. No.
No, the myrrh.
Myrrh.
Ah!
The frankincense, the one they smoke because it's going up to the heaven. Alright?
Myrrh.
And myrrh.
Mortality.
Myrrh.
Why?
Because of the
That's my dad.
Mortality is human, you're gonna die.
Yeah, dad.
Okay. Myrrh used to make the dead body smells good.
Oh,
Okay?
it's not
It's like a special perfume. Parang
Ah, shoot. I don't know Genesis.
More.
Genesis?
Leviticus.
Numbers.
Numbers?
I don't know numbers.
Huh?
Isn't it Leviathan? I don't know.
Leviticus?
Leviticus there. I don't remember.
Sakto lang. Exodus?
Yeah.
Exodus is when they exit from Egypt. Okay?
Why is that?
Leviticus,
Exodus?
Numbers,
Oh,
Deuteronomy, Genesis. So, sa Jew, when you start 8 years old, you will study this hanggang
Dang, bro.
age 12. You have to memorize these 5 books. Hanggang age 12. There's no school like reading, writing. Maybe they will include, but this is the focus. Okay?
That's chapter 1.
Chapter 10 na susunod. What is this?
What is this? What is this?
Chapter 3. 5 to 8 yan. Hindi ko kita tayo.
It says Matthew 5 to 8.
Ito.
What is that? Oh, yeah, they also chapter. What is this? That's 5.
I think the second one. Ito nga yun.
Chapter 3.
What is this?
Ay, chapter 3. Chapter 3 sinabi?
Yeah,
Oh,
chapter 3. It says it there.
Jesus' baptism.
It says it there. Chapter 3.
Ayaw mo ano. Yun.
Squash and cucumber actually taste good together.
Baka na computer niya. Kaya this is At's computer.
I think mine is slower.
Hindi ah.
I think so. Why slower?
Wait, you have to
Mine can't even connect to the university Wi-Fi, bro.
Ano pala eh. Baka tayo ito na agad. Dapat punta muna tayo sa first. Chapter 3. Let's pick it fast.
I thought we're going on 2.
1, 2. Tapos na tayo. So these are the questions we need to answer. This is what happened.
Wait, there's
Chapter
there's
2?
no place for this one?
Chapter 3 is when John the Baptist enter.
Bruce,
He's
please.
gonna prepare the way. He baptized the people, right, to the water. John the Baptist coming from the wilderness, like this. She doesn't have. What happened? What happened?
Why not down?
Yeah. Naglobat na?
It's upside down.
Kaya, ba't balik?
Hindi, kanina kakayos eh.
It's upside down.
Ayaw na.
There's no place for this one?
Oh my god, it scared me.
Pause mo na.